exercise 1.2. This is chapter number 1. So we are solving real numbers, right? So in my last previous two lectures, I have covered exercise number 1.4, that is Euclid division lemma and Euclid division algorithm, right? So now here we are going to solve exercise number 1.2. So first of all, let's see. Before entering into your exercise number 1.2, let me discuss some important concept, right, regarding this exercise. So first of all, you must know what is composite number, right? So as the name implies, composite number means what? A number which is made of product of various prime numbers. For example, such as I have written 15 over here. 15 over here is equals to 5 into 3. So 15 is a composite number, and these are what? These are prime numbers. So a composite number always a product of various prime numbers, 2, 3 or 4 prime numbers. For example, let us write 45. So this is a product of like this, right? So product of these 3 into 3 into 5, these are what? Prime factors, right? Product of prime factors is a composite number. A composite number always product of prime factor. So this is called factorization. This is called, we call as a factorization. Factorization means what? We are splitting this composite number into the product of some prime numbers, right? So one more thing you have to learn, how to calculate LCM and LCM. The terms LCM means what? This is what we know that from highest common factor, and LCM is lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiplication or multiple, right? So LCM, how we can calculate? We have to learn these things. This is what LCM means what, and LCM, right? These two terms we have to calculate from any given 2 numbers, 3 numbers, right? So I have taken, suppose I have taken, this is 45 and 60. These two numbers we have to calculate HCF and LCM. So what you will do, हम क्या करेंगे, देखेंगे इन दो नंबर में LCM और LCM कैलकुलेट करना है, ठीक है? So simply what you will do, you just calculate this 45 in terms of square, like, right? So I am taking 3, this will be 15. I am taking 3 again, this will be 5. This is 5 equals to 1. Similarly, 60 you can calculate in such a manner, 2 divided by 30, it will be 15, it will be 3, 5, 5 and 1. Like this. So 45 can be factorized in terms of 3 into 3 into 5. And 60, it will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So here you can see what? Highest common factor, HCF, right? How we can calculate? So HCF is the highest common. What is common here? 3 is common here, 3 is the common here. One more 3 here, but 3 is not here. 2, double 2 are here, but there is no 2. So these are not common. So 5 is a common, here is a 5 is common. So we have to take, initially you have what? Here is 3 is common, here is 3 common. You have to put 3 only here, right? This is common in both. You just put 3 here. One more common. 5 is common here. 5 is common here. So 5 is common. You just multiply 5. Right? Whatever the number common in both the numbers, you just multiply it. You will get 15 will be LCM of these two numbers. Now whatever remain out of these common numbers, right? You should include in LCM. So LCM में बाकी नंबर को हम ऐड करते हैं, मल्टीपल करेंगे. मीन्स आप जो LCM निकाल सकते हो, मीन्स 15 आपने निकाल चुका है LCM. अब जो बचा है उस पे आप मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर दो. मीन्स क्या बच गया आपके पास? ये 3 बच गया ऊपर. यहाँ पे देखिए आप, ये 2 बच गया, ये 2 बच गया है. ठीक है, तो जो बच गया है उसको भी आप मल्टीपल कर दो. 3 यहाँ पे उतार दो, 2 एंड 2. जो बच गए थे रिमेनिंग उनको भी आप मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर लो. या आपको क्या मिल जाएगा? एलसीएम. दिस इज 4 into 3 12. So 12 15 12 into 5 are, this is 0, 6 remaining. 12 1 and 6, it will be 80. So 180 will be LCM of these two numbers. So simply in this way you can calculate LCM and HCM. Right? Another method we can calculate. Another method we can calculate how to calculate HCM. Either this term or simply one way you can calculate this 45 and 16 both in simultaneously. एक साथ इन दोनों को भी कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं HCM और LCM. तो देखो इनमें सबसे जो छोटा नंबर आप क्या लिख सकते हैं? That is 3 will be common in both the things. So you just put here 3. This will be 15. This will be what? 20. Now what is common in these things? 255. When 5 is common in both the things, you just put it 3. This is 4. No more common in these two numbers. 3 and 4. There is no common. That's why whatever the common you get, this is what LCM. This will be LCM. Now further, there is no remaining, no common number in between these two. Whatever the remaining, you just include it. Already 3 and 5 is here. You just multiply 3 and multiply 4. So including all these number, 3 into 5 into 3 into 4, you will get what? 180. This also LCM. So either you calculate in this way or you calculate right this way. These two things you can calculate HCM and LCM. Now this is regarding of your composite number, factorizations, LCM and HCM, right? So now I am going to solve question number 1, right? So in the question number 1, what he has given, one thing I am telling you, एक बात आपसे रिक्वेस्ट हो कि ये वीडियो देखने के साथ साथ आप अपने साथ एनसीईआरटी की बुक रख लें. मैं एनसीईआरटी की एक्सरसाइज करवा रहा हूँ, तो आप एनसीईआरटी के बुक से साथ में रखें, उसके साथ ही आप सॉल्व करते जाएं. तो ये एनसीईआरटी की बुक है, जैसे कि आपको दिख रहा है. एनसीईआरटी की बुक में आप क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट सॉल्व करने जा रहा हूँ. सो फर्स्ट में देखो इस पे बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स हैं. जैसे so we are going to solve various problems. So first of all 140, question number 1, 156, 3825, 3800 and 5005. That is 7429. This is the question number 1. This is your question number 1. According to this question, he asked that उसने ऐसा पूछा है, express each number as a product of its prime factor, right? So we know that these all are what? Composite number. So all the composite number made of product of prime numbers. So here is 40, here is 140. So how we can calculate this 140? You just simplify in this manner. You will get 70, 35, 5, 7, then 1. So 140 will factorize, you just simple write here, 140 will factorize 2 into 2, 5 into 7, or right. So you can write 2 to the power 2 into 5 into 7. This is a simple way you can calculate the factorizations of any number. This also a simplified. I am just taking one more to solve it. ठीक है, इसमें से दो जो टफ क्वेश्चंस है वो मैं बना देता हूँ, ये दो इजी प्रॉब्लम्स आप लोग बनाना है, ठीक है. सो लेट्स प्रोसीड. लेट्स start taking 5005, right? So here you can see this I have taken 5, this will be 1 0 0 1, it will be divided by 3 not, 7 will be divided. Let's see, 7 1s are 3 remaining, 7 4s are, this will be 7 3s are, right? You just take 11, you will get 1s are 3 3s are, then 13, then 1. Oh. So 5005 can factorize in terms of 5 into 7 into 11 into 30. Easy, right? Next, move on to next. 7429. Let's see. This is number. Let me check out. This is correct. This is 7429, right? So, okay. For this number, you just take. This will be not divided in simple 3 7 because I have already solved. You just put it. It will be divided by 7, right? So 437 will be just divided. You get 437. You just divide it by 19. You will get 23. So 23 will be 1. So 7429 will be factorized in terms of 17 into 19 into 23. So first question, there is a five simple composite numbers are there. तो इन पांचों क्वेश्चन से आपको मैंने दो सॉल्व करने के दिए तो सिंपल है, और जो टफ वाले हैं मैंने सॉल्व कर दिए, ठीक है. आप इसको फैक्टराइज कर सकते हैं इस तरह से, राइट. सो अ कंपोजिट नंबर ऑलवेज गिवन इन अ प्रॉब्लम, यू हैव टू फैक्टराइज इट in terms of prime numbers, right? So move on to next questions. Question number 2. So let me know it. तो ये दो क्वेश्चन आप बना लेंगे. मैंने 4 क्वेश्चंस, 5 क्वेश्चंस में 3 क्वेश्चंस मैंने बना दिए, ठीक है. चलिए बढ़ते हैं आगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. ये अब तो आई एम रेडी विद क्वेश्चन. देखो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 अब क्या कह रहा है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट एलसीएम and product of these following pairs, right? So this is the question number 2. First pair is 26 and 91, right? Second one I have taken for example. Second one leaving, third one I am solving. You have to solve second one, right? And 54, like this. So pair of integers, verify that LCM and LCM product of this is equals to product of two numbers, right? This is a given in the problem. What he says that you have to verify what product of LCM and LCF. Product of LCM and LCF is equals to the product of two numbers. You have to verify that these two are equal, right? So product of LCM and LCM is equals to product of two numbers A and B. Also suppose this is A, this is B. Product of these two, this should be product of this LCM of these two numbers, right? So as I know what this 26 will be factorized 1 into multiply by 1, it always the same number. 2 into 13, it will be 26. Now 19, this will be 7 into 13, right? This will be 91. So in these two numbers, by factorizing it, आपको क्या मिला? यहाँ पे 13 जो है कॉमन है, यहाँ क्या है 13 है कॉमन, आप चाहे 1 लिखो या ना लिखो, इट्स डिफाइंड है। अगर हमको कुछ कॉमन नहीं मिलता तो व्हाट विल बी द एचसीएफ, 1 विल बी एचसीएफ। तो 1 ऑलवेज कॉमन इन बोथ एनी टू इंटीजर्स, कोई भी दो इंटीजर आप ले लो या कोई भी दो नंबर ले लो जो एक दूसरे से बिल्कुल प्राइम नंबर है, दो प्राइम नंबर के बीच में भी आपको एचसीएफ 1 ही मिलता है, ठीक है। सो you just write 1 or not, it doesn't matter, right? So what is common is here 13 is common, so HCF will be 13, right? What is LCM? Same thing I have written, whatever the HCF you have calculated now, just write over here HCF. What is remaining? 7 is remaining here and 2 is remaining here. No need to write 1 multiplication by 1, the same number, right? So multiply it, this will be 13 into 14, so 13 4 जा 13 4 जा, it will be 52 is 5, 182 will be its number, 13 4 जा, it will be 52 and what is remaining 5, right? So this will be 180, right? So we got all this number, you just put LCM and HCF in this equation. I suppose this is equation number 1. We just put LCM and HCF here. What is LCM? 182. What is LCM? 13. A into B. What is A? That is 26. What is B? That is 91. Right? So we just multiply your left hand side, which should be equal to right hand side. This is the equation, right? So just multiply it. Let's see, that's 13 6 24, this is 5, right? Now next one 2 8 1, what do you get? 6 6, this is what, right? This is left side. Now calculate this one, you will get 26, 9 4 ja 9 6 ja 4, 54 and 5 remaining, so this is 8 18 5. So again you will what you get? You get same number in both of these, right? 2366 in left hand side and right hand side. Hence it satisfies in both the cases. Now let's take another number, that is 36 and 336 and 54. What you will do? I am solving this one. We just put 3 3 6 over here, start doing, divided it will be what, 1 6 and 8. So divide by 2 it will be 8 and 4, divide by 2 it will be 41, divide by 2 what will be, no, it will be not divided, sorry, this will be 42 now, sorry, this will be 1, this will be 3 and 7, remaining till 7 will be 1. I hope you know that how to simplify it in 9th and 8th class. 8th and 9th standard में पढ़ चुके हो, how you will do that, right? So one more thing, 54. So 54 easily you will divide, this will be 70, this will be 3 9 3 will be 1. So easily you can write 336 will be what, 2 into 2 into, let's see, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. This is factorization of 336, right? Now this one 54 will be 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, right? So here is LCM. What will be the LCM? You just calculate. LCM means what is the common in both the things. What do you get? 2 common here, 2 common, 1 2 you can write here. 2 common here and here, just put 2 here in LCM. Now see, 2 is here, there is no more 2, so left the 2. 3 is here, 3 is common here, just put 3 common. 3 common in both the things, you just put 3 in here. 7, no more 7 in this, so leave all these things. Only 2 is common in both the things and 3 is common in both the things. One thing, right? Whatever the common, you just multiply it, you got the value. So LCM will be 6. right? So leave these two, these 3, these 3. Whatever the remaining number, you just write here in LCM. Whatever LCM you just calculated, what is LCM? This is 6. Multiply remaining number. What is remaining? 2 into 2 into 2. And what is remaining? Remaining 7 in the upper line. ऊपर भी क्या बचा है? 2 गुणी 2 गुणी 1 7 बचा है. और यहाँ पे देखो आपके पास क्या बचा है? This 3 into 3. Just multiply it, you will get LCM. Let's see. आपको क्या मिलेगा? देख लेते हैं. This is 2 into 2 4 into 8. So 8 6 48. This will be 9. 9 minus 63. Just multiply it, you will get 4 and 2 12 and 44. Right? Now 6 multiplied by 48. This 4 will be at 24 will be 28. You will get 4 2 1 9 0. This will be 3. Right? What do you get? 2 into 2, that is 4 into 8. 8 4 the 48. This is 9 9 7 the 36. This is 3 84. 3 into 8 is 24 2 12 and 14. Now 6 4 is 8 and 4 remaining 24 and 8. This is 4, this is 2, this is 9 and 10. Remaining one is 3. Right? So you got LCM and HCF. LCM and HCF. Now look here. You got all this. Again I am writing the same value. What? HCF into LCM. HCF into LCM equals to product of A into B. Right? So what is LCM? That is 6. What is LCM? LCM is what? 3 0. 3 0. That is 2 4. I am making a bigger one. बड़े 3 0 2 4. देखिए HCF और ये LCM की वैल्यू मैंने कहाँ रखी? ये पुरानी है, इसको जस्टिफाई कराना है. ठीक है, चलो देख लेते हैं. व्हाट इज अब A और B, मतलब A ये हो गया, B ये हो गया. सो 336 into 54. A का वैल्यू B का वैल्यू आप वहां से रखिए. HCF और LCM यहाँ से रख सकते हो. ठीक है, अब इसको जस्टिफाई कर देते हैं. योर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड शुड बी इक्वल टू राइट हैंड साइड. राइट? So left hand side, just multiply it, you will get this 4, 2, 12 and 44. This is what? 18. Right? Now, इसको multiply करके देख लेते हैं. This will be 24 to 12 and 41. This is 4 and 30. Right? 5 and 0, 3 will be remaining. 18, 1. 15, sorry. 1 remaining 3 will be 5 into 3. This is 15. 15 plus 3, that will be 18. Remaining 1, 15 1 16. What you will get? 4 4. This will be 1. This will be 7 into 8 1 0. So what do you get? This is right hand side equals to left hand side. Hence it is justified that as product of LCM of two numbers is equals to product of two numbers. Right? Same things are calculated over here. So this is all about question number 2. Question number 2 के बाद अब हम start with question number 3. Right? So in question number 3, what he has asked? He has asked that you have to calculate LCM and HCF of these numbers. Right? So here is 12. We can factorize 2 into 2. This will be 3, right? 15 can be factorized 3 into 5, and 21 can factorize 3 into 7. So first of all, you just calculate LCM. So as I told you already that पहले भी मैंने बताया what HCF कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे. HCF के लिए जो कॉमन, what is the common in both? 2 is not here, but here. So we can't take one more t, 2 not here. 3 is here, 3 here also, and 3 here. We just take 3 in common both the things, right? What is common? 5 is only here, 7 is only here. So we can't take any commons, right? Whatever the common in the 3 numbers, we just take 3. This is the LCM of this 3. 3 in this 3, from these 3 composite number, LCM will be only 3. Now LCM. What is LCM? Whatever the LCM you have to calculate now, just put here 3. This 3 is here. What is remaining? 2 and 2. Just put 2 into 2. What is 5 remaining here and 7 remaining here. So always, first you calculate LCM, put that number, and remaining numbers just multiply it. 2, 2, 5 and 7 was remain. Remember? So just put it here and just multiply it. You will get what? Simply 2 3 are 6, 6 2 are 12, 12 5 are 60, 65 are 300. So 300 will be LCM. Simple. So next is 70. So here LCM. This is a prime number. These 3 are prime numbers. So we can't take any common. So 17 will be factorized in only 17, and 19 will be factorized only 1 into 19, and 23 will be factorized in terms of 23 only. So in this figure you can conclude that what is common? LCM. For LCM of these 3 numbers, what is common? 1 is the only common. So LCM will be only 1. Now what is LCM? LCM will be what is remaining? Remaining 7, 17 remaining, 19 remaining, and 23 remaining. Just 17 into 19 into 23. This will be multiplied with it. You will be what? 7, 4, 2, 9. I have already solved it. So you will just multiply it. You got the LCM. So this is all about question number 3. One question I left. We just solved this one from question number 3, right? Remaining 4 and 5 we will solve in the next video. For further videos, you just subscribe my channels. Thank you for watching.